How big are galaxies? They can be truly massive, containing billions, even trillions of stars. Just take our galaxy, the Milky Way. It's roughly 100,000 light-years across and contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. Most galaxies have a supermassive black hole at their center. These black holes are incredibly dense regions of space, where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape their grasp. That's a mind-boggling amount of stars. Over billions of years, galaxies collide and merge with one another, often resulting in dramatic reshaping of both galaxies. With over 100 billion Earth-like planets out there, it seems likely that we're not alone. But so far, we haven't found any definitive proof of life elsewhere. It's the oldest light in the universe, dating back to just 400,000 years after the Big Bang. This process is slow and gradual. It takes millions to billions of years for galaxies to merge completely. It's used to measure the vast distances between stars and galaxies. When they find a candidate for a new galaxy, they analyze its light to determine its distance, size, and other characteristics. Dark matter is a mysterious substance that makes up a significant portion of the universe. The name of the nearest major galaxy to the Milky Way is Andromeda. It's approximately 2.5 million light-years away and is a spiral galaxy similar to the Milky Way. We can't see dark matter directly, but we can observe its gravitational effects on galaxies and galaxy clusters. A pulsar is a rapidly rotating neutron star that emits beams of electromagnetic radiation. Pulsars rotate very quickly, and as they do, they emit radiation that can be detected on Earth as a pulse. What's at the center of a galaxy? Cosmic rays are high-energy particles that bombard the Earth from space. Supernovae are some of the most powerful events in the universe, releasing enormous amounts of energy as they occur. They can come from sources such as supernova, pulsars, and active galactic nuclei. In about 4 billion years, the Andromeda galaxy will collide with the Milky Way. The two galaxies will merge to form a new galaxy. How do galaxies form and evolve? Are we alone in the universe? That's a truly mind-boggling number. How old is the universe? An active galactic nucleus, or a is a region at the center of a galaxy where there is a supermassive black hole that is actively consuming matter. AGNs are some of the most luminous objects in the universe. Some scientists believe that time travel may be possible under certain circumstances, such as traveling to a place with a strong gravitational field, or by moving at near light speed. It's one of the biggest mysteries in modern cosmology. However, time travel remains purely theoretical and has yet to be proven possible. The observable universe is estimated to be about 94 billion light-years old. This means that it would take light 94 billion years to travel from one end of the observable universe to the other. Here's a fun fact. The cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMB, is a leftover echo of the Big Bang. What is dark matter? How many galaxies are in the observable universe? According to the latest estimates, there are more than 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Can time travel be possible? What is a light year? A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, which is approximately 5.9 trillion miles, or 9.46 trillion kilometers. How do scientists discover new galaxies? Scientists use powerful telescopes to scan the skies, searching for new galaxies. What is the name of the nearest galaxy to the Milky Way? Here's a fun fact. What are cosmic rays? What is a supernova? A supernova is the explosive death of a star. What is a pulsar? What is an active galactic nucleus? What is dark energy? Dark energy is a mysterious force that is thought to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. And there you have it, a brief journey through the wonders of the cosmos.